All right, big boy TG. Oh no, Sneaker Don. Okay, let's go. I see you. Ignore. That's my guy. I'm not ignoring him. Come on. I got you. What's going on?
What's going on? I just laid everything out for you. I usually have to set up.
Take me through.
All right, so usually I had over 200 pairs once upon a time, but sadly I got broken into and all that stuff. But it's all good. I started a YouTube channel pretty much letting people know how to get shoes like for the cheap, for the low, and this is pretty much what I got now.
Okay, so here's what you do. Tell the people where you're checking it from. Take us to your shoes, and then I want you to let them know how they can get sneakers for the low.
All right, cool. So I'm from Bakersfield, California. And pretty much, I get on eBay and I just like watch, like, you just gotta be patient. Usually you can't get anything, but usually it's Ross and like thrift stores. And I kind of have a setup here where I fix everything back up. So if I get it and it's kind of messed up like these, I repaint it and like refix it.
Right,
so
and then it's just as good as new.
Just as good as new, as long as you fix it up. So I got like these. These are actually I wore at my wedding. Right here.
Damn, bro.
The mother-in-law was like, nah. I was like, nah, I got you.
She was indignant?
Like, no, I got you. So I got everything at the third guy.
Were you able to get the flicks off at least?
Yeah. Definitely. You'll see a picture of me.
And with the matching vest, that's tough.
You got to, though. You got to. So, everybody got to have, like, the 11 lows, the brand. Got the black toes, the infrareds.
Mm-hmm.
I got the 08 bread straps. I got the Royals over here. But one thing I think is really cool, because I usually keep the boxes if I find anything. Like this box right here is from a year 2000 Concord 11.
Okay. And you got them in the Ziploc.
Got them in there.
Oh, you got them in the Ziploc.
Yep. I just keep them in there because, usually stuff happens over here, and my wife tends to come over here touching stuff. And so this is kind of like, don't touch these.
Okay, this is the off limits. These shoes are clearly off limits.
Off limits.
Okay.
You can touch everything else.
That's amazing. All right, what else we got?
So I got the low. See, I like certain one lows.
Yeah, why we got you in here? Low, how do we feel about the mids? How do we feel?
Okay, so mids are tough. I've been collecting since 2000, so it's kind of hard to find a mid that makes me want to be like, yeah, I need you.
I need them.
Kind of tough. So I'm just like,
You know what it is? I feel like they give the mids all the throwaway colorways. That's true. Let's just see if it works.
Yep.
And then if we get an amount of people to buy, like we'll mass produce it on the high or low.
So I got these. Right here in the mid, but this is like from the original low.
Exactly. But you know what? And I feel like you can't go wrong with that colorway. Like you can't mess it up. I'm gonna rock it regardless.
I actually got those from the thrift store for like $8.
You said $8?
Majority. Nothing here is over 100. I paid extremely less for them.
Show me the floor again. You're telling me you didn't pay over $100 for any of this?
For none of these.
None of these pairs. That's amazing, bro. Guys, tap your sneaker down on a budget. He's gonna get you right.
None of these. Not even the Yeezys. Right. Not even the Yeezys. I think I pay like $60 for these.
That's tough, bro. That's real tough. Sneaker down, man. I appreciate you checking in with us, bro.
No problem. But when you're married for a long time, you can't spend that much money on it, and then she catch on.
Exactly. So you gotta figure out what's the best, bro.
I appreciate you having me on, brother.
All right. Chat with you soon.
Have a good one.
Yo, are y'all talking about how to make some potatoes in the chat right now? You know what, though? What's the cheapest way to get kicks? I'm not an expert on that, T. Carl, but my man Sneaker Down the Budget says to essentially watch eBay. And if you're really dope with it, you can find sneakers that, are a little tattered, but you can essentially refurbish them, bro. Thrift stores, eBay, Ross, there you go.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.
Oh, snap. Well, if you're still watching, that means you get this clue. It's an OG sneaker.